Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare this amazing banana porridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kylie Kitchen _1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my green bananas. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel them. Now, you always want to ensure that you remove your skin from your green bananas properly. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local farmers market, and of course, you'll get green bananas there as well. I also know that when it comes on to porridge, a lot of persons have their preference, but you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you prefer. If you like banana porridge, if you like cornmeal porridge, if you like plantain porridge, or if you like oats porridge. So once I'm finished peeling my bananas, I will go ahead and blend. Now, you want to blend your bananas as smooth as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my bananas to my blender, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my water. No, you don't have to blend your bananas with water. You can always go ahead and blend it with some coconut milk if you have coconut milk at home. Once we're finished blending, we're just going to go ahead and put on the pot on the stove that we are going to use to cook this amazing porridge in. And we're also going to go ahead and add all of the spices. So this is the pot that I'm going to prepare my porridge in. I'm just going to go ahead and add some water. And then I'm going to go in and add my nutmeg. I will also go in and add my cinnamon powder, some salt. And of course, I'm going to go in and add my coconut milk powder. Once I add all of that, I will just combine everything together nicely and allow it to come to a boil before I go ahead and add my blended bananas. You can always go ahead and make this for the entire family. You can always go ahead and make this for the kids. If they're going to school, you can always make it in the morning for them. So we're just going to allow this to come to a boil, and then we're going to come back and add the blended plantains as I said earlier. So now that it's boiling, what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and add the blended plantains. And while you're adding that, please ensure that you continue to just stir because you don't want any lumps in your porridge. Also, try not to stir every second or so because you don't want it to be too watery. So once you stir nicely, you just leave it and allow it to cook. Now, please ensure that you turn your stove on at least medium heat while doing this. Try not to turn it up too high. So this is it. As you can see, it starts to get thick. So we're just going to stir for a small amount of time and then we're going to allow this to cook. Now, this should take you roughly about 25 minutes or so to prepare. Really easy, really simple, and it was delicious. And I'm not making a lot. I'm just making a small amount for my family. So once I stir, I'm just going to allow it to just cook some more because we want our bananas to cook properly. And once it's finished cooking, we're going to come back and we're going to go ahead and sweeten. Alright guys, so my banana porridge is almost finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and add some of my vanilla flavoring. Once you add the vanilla flavoring, you just go ahead and combine it nicely. And I'm going to go ahead and add some of my condensed milk to this. If you guys don't have the condensed milk, you can always go ahead and use brown sugar to sweeten. Remember to always taste just in case. Once you add the condensed milk, just combine everything together nicely, and basically you're finished. You just go ahead and serve this up to your friends and your families and let them enjoy this amazing banana porridge. So you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. So basically this is the end of this amazing video. So I'm just gonna serve it up. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing banana porridge recipe so far. I hope you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for your love and your support.